calling ye call when they want to do to Alafofo for Destiny, Ebagwa, and Esther. Ivie, because all the social media and one useless are Coco, whether na Coco, thank you, mommy, thank you, my friend Star. Whether na Coco be her name. When you they cry, hey, because it's your platform that they lay curse on your head, not Esther, Dr. G, not Destiny. Because me, I know, I said I talk yesterday, it can be say this thing are truth, it can be say no be truth. She be at the talk on two-way side yesterday. Because I know those people of me that there is one guy called Useless Akoko that is fooling herself around, sending people to come and be calling her on his show, maybe they curse his head, they curse his wife's head. My people, they were the first set to be happy, say Destiny and Esther, they're not there again. Akoko, me, I don't know what Destiny, Esther borrow for Akoko hand, or even the Ivie, come, no bell. If say she throw oracle, he can say and say, word, remove a hair for your eye. Word, oracle, when my throw you got the throw oracle for another person, you know better, mama. If my people wanna call here, share this video, guys. If you just hold Esther matter, he said Esther matter one killer. Hey, thank God. Hey, see video. Hey, oh, hey, wow. He don't enjoy your husband. Hey, oh, thank God. Hey, oh, see Esther. Esther don't they cry for that side. Hey, oh, say Esther neko. Oh, go that boy. Who Esther got talk boy. So, Akoko. Even if you go to Akoko platform, go they come because now yeah and useless somebody. Then. If you just carry a word matter for it, carry Destiny matter for it, they pursue Esther, they go say Esther, they use juju, they use juju, Esther, they do this. Now, Destiny eye don't clear. Oh, glory be to God. Destiny eye is cleared now. Destiny eye. Hey, if you're rubber, oh, so if you live, I tell the talk and say, oh, we more if you live one who go, one who go. If you live come, where you not informed too, I've been only one wakakon. Kale one who kale iwe. Come here. If you got to carry for her, say, oh, glory be to God, oh, they don't quarrel, oh, they're not there together again, oh, Monacosi, oh, if you because now also fake rumor, I go show on the video. When Destiny, no, not say yesterday, so caller called me and say, hey, mama, not mind what they are saying, no, that Destiny and Esther, they're a good mood. Even Destiny, they kiss Esther for that side. You know, say caller called yesterday. So I go show on the video. When Esther, they dance, oh, if you the cry for the platform, say, glory be to God. What the Mekaka Muwe. Chebe aton as did not say, Destiny follow this new, you know, follow. Oh, yeah, we shiki we not knowing that if you even know that Esther way don't fair born good boy. So you not can tell us what the can be and then you are born loud beggar what picky even grow past Esther picking. Whether no yeah what oh yeah back tall like pole. No go on boy. Share this video, guys. Hello. Good evening. I'm on live video. I'm fine. I'm on live video. I should put it on speaker. I'm on live video. Share this video. Okay, for hook up, right? Okay, I'm on live video now. Okay. You call me back when I through them. You call back.
It's okay.
No, I'm live video. Okay, all right. Did it. Oh, no. What do you want? Take. Sorry. So, my people, not knowing that, even if you know, because of jealousy, when they worry if you carry a petition, put for Esther body, based on saying, don't the first was like mama way. Edward Pikin senior, Edward Pikin grow past Esther Pikin fusion na ba. If you not go tell us Esther, Edward say na second who Esther talk boy. You not go say Esther, there's no bag what they carry money they give Esther. When business stand a career woman, if you join a crew, call her useless Eke Magwalogu, they begin to bully any platform with for your talk Esther. Make the call put me they let us on a Monica heads, not be Esther. If you are Monica, they do on the ground, bully Esther up and down, saying Esther get picky. Destiny they pack away money they give Esther. Meanwhile, if you know that evil the L word na second hands. Okay, which one L word take pass Esther? The age and they say even the age of 48 to 50 years. She even senior Esther. When this Uhutan, come they cover and say, na say Destiny or Ziga yeah, Esther. If they spend the money. My people, it no work. Now the video of when Vera yesterday, when Esther go show, go perform, there's Nebagwa we are there. Spraying Esther. Word na grandma, na re grandmama. They say that word of your mama. Another information get to me yesterday when somebody write me all her details. Say Vera is not 48 years, she's 50 years, now be 52 years. Say word you see is not small pikin no. If word say any enemy never enter melopause. Say she's not a baby. Thank you so much for your star, my lady. Say it's not a baby. No guana bue. Ivie. Le swag is boué. Il veut dans mes swag. La reine ya nous dote mais stag boué. Il say Destiny nous info. Or we info. Not knowing that even the Ivie know everything. Ivie Monica were on the ground bullying Esther with pattern. Sending people, those are useless women. When they don't frustrate, maybe they bully Esther. So today now. After I said that they call the carry here for God, they open here. They were not calling a word. I told her yesterday, say, now they call a word, they spoil a word mind. And a word call for God, say, Destiny not be baby. You know what he good for, know what he not good for. Not be go tell a word, Destiny make you leave Esther. Esther not be person when it depends on Destiny. So I have that belief for sure that Esther is not a woman where you go, oh, Destiny leave me, I will be crying because of who want to carry the responsibility. River. She have money every day. She money the entire account. Work. So I know that nothing Esther is going to regret about all this. You get me? Okay, now they were not trying to turn the issue up and down. God, they send a word by the phone, mama. Now they talk as they say, oh, that's what word is doing. At the end, I don't even think a pa will he will still get another woman when time goes on. That one can't go aside. The yesterday video. When I did a live video yesterday, somebody got to call me and say, make I not mind them. Say, there's Nebagwa and Esther, even there's Nebagwa, they kiss Esther for that side. Una see them. Because they are evil, they just want to gang up against Esther. Nobody got up about the good news yesterday. Or go back to Ivie. If you're a bash, you will not come with a philomokwa. If you went from window throw away picking or good boy. Now when I'm away for a brother woman, they walk, now man, they walk, they give woman, you honor you, they walk, they give man. You are Esther na the same. Where Esther are you people the same category when start talk with you when they walk, they give man money, they feed man in picking. Oh, and they hear your record yesterday when they saw another person why slap you way pa when they say the woman called the way pa say shut up your mouth, slap you now our president for slap you. If you go hide yourself, big boy. If you have to be boy for all I care. Frustration. If you ain't support the shop picking money, now man call the shop. That kind of person don't come go tell me say Vera, you not do this, you not do that. He can come out now. Now he they pay Papa boy. Now he they give Papa triple and go leno go. Better like way to frustrate. Woman they to we frustrate really, real life. We want frustrate. For a woman to enjoy money, now you can't give Papa boy and boy money. Hey. Both robot and all wagi gonia wagi winner there. Now you can't be like, oh amaze. You be like you in the mood. A bag bomb what we give you one and well one. Hey, if you all did you wait the sword off for your chest? Oh, you did you will make on it even on it long. A swag woman. All your friends come be like what they mood, they not pump, be like what they carry pump follow. If you, who ain't not pump, you come be like what they pump. If you were looking for destiny, if you don't they cry, don't say if you don't define kia no over ho, if you they go le kia or they go luhe no over you don't have a back yo. If you got the find where they want Colombian, you can't say destiny and Esther go Austria. May for see where go the back here yo, may for the back here yo. Not a destiny, you not be do. Now I make your sister fair do why you take bring destiny pre come outside. Because when mommy if you not see do money cannot see do. He can pay. Nah. All the good news don't come out yesterday. No, not pour agree. Yeah, no boy. Come on, see I'm gonna me drive for wow. See all those frustrated elements sit them. So you want now you want to pull your anger. Come on, see I'm gonna me pursue them. Oh, wait by better good women. What go make wake on it? Yeah, no look this platform. Yeah, not be where you couple your anger. See, let no. Not truth with the tough and not truth with the analyst. Well, when we who camp your now, my people. If you not see a clear destiny, who you not see a clear destiny, even the sister not make clear destiny, or man who the couple the anger for Esther body because now they're supposed to be the position. Now they're supposed to it is small, but you first quick the money can. The vie days a vie don't cry, Papa. Even though na lady, oh blera, Papa, where the air, let's see. Pana, well, you people are not trustworthy. You people are not trustworthy.